Welcome to Sonoma here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. So if you are looking for a ready-to-move-in house and lot na malapit lang sa Nuvali, close to Paseo, and also napakalapit lang natin sa different hospitals, schools, techno hubs, and different manufacturing companies, then again, I would like to welcome you all here in Sonoma. So we are going to feature this modern house and lot, a 3-story house with 150 square meters lot area and 210 square meters lot area. So it has 4 bedrooms. We have a helper's quarter. As you can see, meron tayong carport and meron tayong provision for the lanai and the service area. Let's begin our house tour. So, bungad sa atin yung large size door and meron na rin siyang smart door lock. So, kung mapapansin nyo, napakaaliwalas. Meron tayong windows from the facade and dito sa kabilang side. We also have a sliding door which is access natin going to our lanai. So, this area serves as your living area. So, imaginein mo, maglalagay ka dyan ng L-shaped na couch. So, definitely, meron siyang ample space. And this one serves as our multimedia area. So, meron na tayo ditong installed na cabinet and elevated na rin siya. So, meron na siyang provision dito for the wiring. So, meron na tayo naka-install dito na chandelier. So, basically, para siya sa ating dining table. So, kasya dito yung 6 up to 8-seater na dining table. So imagine if you are a family of 8 to 6 members. So kakain kayo dito ng sabay-sabay. Meron kayong view ng lanai. Meron kayong access ng direct sunlight. And ayan, meron pang natural ventilation. So this area naman serves as your breakfast nook. So add na lang tayo dito ng bar stool. Meron na rin tayo ditong installed na cabinet or this serves as your pantry cabinet and a provision for a refrigerator. So, syempre, hindi mawawala ng overhead cabinet. So, meron pa tayong extra space sa taas. So, after turnover, if gusto mo magkaroon pa ng additional cabinet sa taas, it's up to you. Pwede yan. So, napakarami nating storages dito. Basically, complete fixtures na yung ating kitchen area. So, meron na tayo ditong cabinets and also drawers. So, meron na rin tayo ditong modern sink and faucet. So, meron tayong maliwalas na view dito sa harapan. Pero again, depending on your choice, meron tayong mga clients na preferred nila na hindi sila kita sa loob. For extra privacy, pwede natin ipatinted yung windows o kaya magpa-add na lang tayo ng curtain blinds para at least meron naman tayong open na center light, meron tayong mga chandelier and pin lights na available. So, hindi naman siya maka-affect dito sa lighting sa loob ng property. And this one is a provision for your oven and stove plus a provision for the range hood. So, depending on the brand na prefer mo. In this area, maganda rin yung idea na hindi siya binuo para hindi masikip yung pinakang access natin dito palabas ng ating service area and also auxiliary kitchen. Tara! Sa auxiliary kitchen natin, nagkaroon pa tayo ng canopy para meron tayong, again, natural source ng sunlight. We have a storage here. Meron na rin tayong abang ng socket. And ito na yung pinakang sink natin for the service area. Itong area na to, ito na yung provision for the washing machine. So, may abang na rin siyang socket dito. And this one, ayan, ito yung pocket garden mo. And at the same time, dun sa kabilang banda is the lanai and access palabas dun sa pinakang facade ng property. So, bago tayo umakyat sa second floor, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung available rooms natin dito sa ground floor. So, ang nagustuhan ko sa property na to, and I believe magugustuhan nyo rin, lalo na kung meron kayong helper na matagal nyo nang kasama sa bahay and family na yung touring nyo. Ang room nila is nasa loob na mismo ng property, which is this area. So, ayan, meron na rin tayong naka-install na cabinet. Kita nyo naman, enough naman yung space na in case dalawa yung mag-i-stay dito. Ayan, pwede naman sila maglagay ng bunk bed. Another thing, hindi pa siya tapos pero ongoing yung construction nung comfort room ng ating helper. So dito naman sa kabilang side is our common toilet and bath. So para siya sa ating room 1 and also para sa mga visitors natin na hindi naman mag-i-stay ng matagal. So ito yung pinakang ilalim ng stair natin pero na-maximize siya. As you can see, mataas pa rin naman yung ceiling. So this one, mag-a-add na lang dito ng partition from the shower area. Ito na yung ating lavatory with mirror na rin. And sa likod ng door, nandito yung toilet natin. So check natin yung ating bedroom 1. So ang bedroom 1 natin, ideal to if bibisita yung ating lolo at lola o kaya naman kasama natin silang mag-i-stay dito sa property. So ideal sa kanila to kasi hindi na nila kailangan gumamit ng hagdan, hindi na sila kailangan umakyat, bumaba, if ever kailangan nilang pumunta ng kitchen or living area. Meron na silang sariling space here, maganda yung ventilation, meron tayo ditong windows, and ito yung provision natin for window type na air conditioner. Meron na rin tayong mga abang ng socket and hindi mawawala yung ating built-in cabinet. And that's it for the first floor. Now, let's check our second floor. Tara! So, kung makikita nyo, walang nakabukas na ilaw dito, pero this light is coming from the window. So, na-mention ko na meron tayong natural source of light and natural ventilation dito sa property, just like this one. So, hindi na nila kailangang mag-open ng lights. So, tara! And now, let's check our second and third bedroom dito sa ating second floor. So, before that, ayan, meron pa tayong hallway dito that will lead us to another area. So, ito, meron tayo ditong screen door and also meron ng glass door. So, if ever may kailangang ayusin or linisin sa area na to, so, maglilinis ng windows from the outside. Ayan, dito na dadaan. And actually, malaki pa yung area. Pwede pa siyang i-convert into a balcony. So, depending on your choice na lang din naman yon. So, meron tayo ditong huge windows. So, basically, kahit saan ka lumingon, meron tayong windows and syempre, sliding door. Doon naman sa kabilang side. So, check natin yung ating second room. As you can see, ayan, very spacious. Meron na tayo ditong built-in cabinet. And, syempre, meron din tayong ensuite toilet and bath. So, complete na rin siya. Nandito yung ating toilet with cabinets na rin. Yung ating sink and yung ating shower area. So, sa shower area natin, ayan, makikita nyo naman for reference lang. Enough yung space niya. So, square shape siya. So, meron tayo ditong gun gray color ng ating shower. So, included na rin dito yung ating heater. And now, let's check our master bedroom. So, nandito naman siya sa kabilang side. So, sa kabila, puro bintana. Ito, meron tayo ditong sliding door that will lead us to our balcony. So, meron man tayong ample space just in case meron tayong few guests. Ayan. So, dito sa room, kung mapapansin nyo, may included na rin tayo na air conditioner. We have a center light and meron na rin tayong pin light. So, hindi mawawala is another ensuite toilet and bath pero meron pa tayong walk-in closet. So, meron tayo ditong closet sa kabilang side and another closet sa kabilang side. So, I assume couple yung mag-occupy na itong space. So, another area where you can set up your vanity. So, maganda na rin, meron na tayo dito included na window. So, for extra privacy, definitely you have an option na magpalagay ng curtain. So, check natin yung ating ensuite toilet and bath. So, ayan. Meron na rin siyang LED light. Meron na rin tayong included here na cabinet, ayan, our sink, toilet, and ang ating spacious na shower area. So, actually, yung toilet and bath niya is halos kapareho lang nung kabilang room. Naiba lang yung sa cabinet na side dahil nandun siya sa likod ng room, dun sa kabilang CR. But this one, so from gun gray color, meron naman tayo ditong golden color ng ating shower area. So, napansin ko din, piano tile na rin yung style ng ating shower dito. So, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi naman tinipid yung ating materyales and yung design niya is pinag-isipan din talaga. And now, let's check our third floor. So, sa third floor, that can be converted into a home theater, a family area, or gaming room. So, tara, check natin. So, dito naman sa ating third floor, meron lang tayong isang room, which is convertible naman siya depending on your choice. So, itong area na to, nagkaroon pa tayo dito ng enough space. So, if mahilig kayo sa music, pwede tayo maglagay dito ng mga musical instrument, pwedeng piano, or depende na lang on your choice. Pwedeng display lang, aquarium, or whatever. So, meron mga another space dito that will give us a natural ventilation. And ayan, finally, nandito na tayo sa ating fourth na bedroom, which is again, convertible depending on your choice. So as you can see, meron pa tayo ditong napakalaking bintana that gives us a natural source of sunlight. So din natin siyang i-open, ayan. So, meron ka ng fresh air. So, napansin ko lang din, nagkaroon na siya ng accent sa ceiling. Completes na rin siya with pin lights. Meron tayong provision for a window type air conditioner and meron na rin siyang provision for the socket. So, sa walls naman natin, ayan, bawat sulok, meron na rin siyang makaabang na socket para depending on you kung saan mo ipupwesto yung bedside, yung table, o kaya another vanity area. Ayan. And this one, ayan, nagkaroon pa tayo dito ng built-in cabinet. So, may space sa taas and merong window, pero depending on you, pwede mo naman siyang paglagyan ng iba pang gamit or ng luggage kung hindi naman kailangan. So, this is our ensuite toilet and bath. So, compared dun sa other toilet and bath, this one, malaki pa rin naman siya, pero mas maliit siya compared dun sa other two na toilet and bath. So, itong shower area natin is rectangular shape. So, balik tayo sa gun gray na color ng shower and meron na siyang heater na included. So, we have the toilet, we have the lavatory. So, napansin ko lang, wala pa siyang cabinets, pero aside from that, very functional and pwede mo na siyang magamit. And actually, that's the end of our house tour. So, if you are an overseas Filipino worker, a retiree, or someone looking for a ready-to-move-in house and lot na napakalapit lang sa iba't ibang development, lalo na sa mga lifestyle malls, hospitals, schools. So, you can contact me at 63965-075-9571 through iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp. See you!